Hello and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee and this is my week 20 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. And if this is your first time watching Get Fit by 50, then please hit like on this video and also click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description below. You should also binge watch all the previous episodes to get caught up. All right, so last week I actually gained 0.4 pounds, which was a rising total of 53.8 pounds lost total in 19 weeks. Let's see if I made up for it on week 20. On Wednesday, I did 7,711 steps. I hung out at Hooterville for a while and drank some beers and bourbons and Coke Zeros, and I actually just had a small bag of Doritos for dinner. But I still took in 2,683 in calories. Now remember, you can see everything that I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary, and the link is in the description below for that also. All right, on to Thursday. Thursday, I weighed in at 284.4 pounds pre-poo. That's down 2 pounds right off the bat. So that's the lowest weigh-in yet. And I guess I finally unloaded those Krystals I ate last week. So I did 7,643 in steps and ate 1,422 in calories. And Friday, I weighed in at 285.4 pounds pre-poo. I went back up, but that's not in the red. It's just the normal 2 days after drinking spike. So I did 7,391 in steps and ate 1,365 in calories. And moving to Saturday, I weighed in at 284.8 pounds pre-poo. That's back to Thursday's weight, so I'm starting over again. I did 8,303 in steps and ate 1,139 in calories. And on Sunday, I weighed in at 284.2 pounds pre-poo. I think that's a low ball. That's the lowest I've ever weighed in. I did 9,556 in steps and ate 1,284 in calories. And on Monday, I weighed in at 284 pounds flat, pre-poo. I did 8,256 in steps and I ate 1,554 in calories. And we're in the end of the week coming up. Tuesday, I weighed in at 283.8 pounds pre-poo. Going down. Still going down. I did 7,772 in steps, and I ate 1,434 in calories. And we ended the week on Wednesday morning weighing in at 282.4 pounds pre-poo. That's awesome. That is definitely awesome. So here's my stats for week 20. You can pause the video to look them over, but I did steps totaling 56,632. The calories I consumed was 10,881. That's pretty good. It's not my lowest, but it's just a little over 1,550 calories per day as an average, so that's not bad. And my total weight loss during week 20 was 4.4 pounds.
Knockout.
That's 58.2 pounds lost in 20 weeks with a 2.91 pounds average per week, which is about what I want to be on the high end. So with the 0.4 pounds deficit though from last week, we'll just call it an even 4 pounds for this week. So, all right, I got some bad news. Now, I've been doing this for 20 weeks now. but I think it's time to retire. I know I've come a long way, but I just can't do it anymore. It's just time to quit. Walking in these shoes, they've about had it. So for this next part here, I'm gonna need a table. So, all right, so now we got a table. No, I'm not retiring from losing the weight. I'm retiring these shoes. These things are ancient. I started wearing them before I started this, but you know, they're coming apart pretty good. So these are Kinsei 4, Asics Kinsei 4s, which I've determined to be my favorite shoes I've ever owned. So I've bought lots of other Asics. You can see here, these are also about wore out. Those were Tri 9s. Another one's here. These are Kinsei 5s, Asics, also wore out. Got some other Tri 9s here. These are also wore out. I just haven't had the heart to toss them, but all these shoes are going in the crapper. Garbage, tossed, they're wore out. Collecting dust. Not really, I do wear them sometimes for junk things. So these are also Kinsei 4s. This is the first pair that I got. The Mosaic. They're two different colors. They're not two different shoes on accident. That's just how they come, which actually I've got a pair. I'm gonna do my own personal raffle, but yeah, so I'm retiring shoes, not the weight loss. So what I'm doing here now, because I can't decide, I have 3 brand new pairs of Kinsei 4s that I've purchased over the years and just collect. So this is a pair of the Mosaics. Oh no, this is a Mosaic. This is the same kind that I was actually just went through. This one of these here. See the difference between new and used? New, used. So anyway, this is like lime green kind of green. That's gonna be box number 3. Then we got box number 2. This is the Mosaics. I'm gonna do, see, these are 2 different color shoes on purpose. It's my favorite kind. They were hard to find, and they're not cheap right now to find these things. But if Asics has any Kinsei 4s in a size 11 or 11 and a half laying around in the warehouse, and they see this, I'll take them. I'll take them all. And then we got this 3rd pair. These are some oddball, maybe I guess Miami Dolphins colors. I don't know. So I'm gonna do my own self raffle, or self tell me which pairs to use. So we've got these 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, numbered 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna draw out of this bag right here 1 number, and then that's the pair that I'm gonna use next. I hope it's the Mosaics. I have no way to tell. All right, so I can't see anything. I can't see anything. I'm just pulling a random number out. Here it is. What number do I get? Number 1. Number 1. That is the one. Number 1. So that is these orange and blue ones. That is the shoes that I'm going to start wearing right here. These new Asics Kinsei 4s. So just to show you that I wasn't trying to cheat myself, I personally wanted number 2. But see, there's a number 3. And here's a number 2. So, and there's a number 1. So I did it honestly to myself. I'm now wearing blue and orange shoes and keeping these until I need other shoes. So that's it. I will get fit by 50 and lose 100 plus pounds. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please, you know it, remember to use your damn turn signals, people. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.